Right now, we're seeing a notable surge in sports sentiment, clocking in at plus 0.56, which is above the historical baseline. This spike is particularly interesting given the current momentum of plus 0.22. It suggests a strong, positive shift in how fans are engaging with recent events, likely driven by a major game or announcement. With our Sentiment API, you can pull real-time insights that reveal how fans are feeling about specific teams or players, powered by 20 semantic clusters that dissect the conversation. Imagine building a feature that alerts fans when sentiment peaks around their favorite team, integrating these insights into your app to boost engagement during critical moments. To get started, check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage these insights and enhance fan experiences together.